Hi all, welcome to the Tasty Affairs. Today we are going to do a very quick and easy recipe. It's going to be an egg masala toast. So for that I have 5 eggs here and I have 4 slices of bread. You can choose any bread type, multigrain, whole wheat or simple white. I have taken a rye bread, but it's up to you which bread you want. So let's get started making our masala toast. I've taken the 5 eggs in a bowl. So the first thing we are going to do is we have to whisk the egg. So while we are whisking, we are going to add some ingredients to it. So first thing is going to be, I'm going to add, this is onion and red chili. So this is basically 1 medium red onion grinded with a half teaspoon of red chili powder. So I'm taking 3 tablespoons of this paste first. So that's the first one, second one, and third one. So 3 teaspoons, okay, sorry, it's the teaspoon. So 3 teaspoons of the onion chili paste. So give it a quick mix. So at this point I'm going to add some spring onions. So if you have spring onions, put spring onions. If you have chives, put chives. Or if you don't have anything, or both of these, it's fine still. I'm going to add few other ingredients too. So next is I have 3 green chilies chopped. So how much of a spice you want for your masala toast, add accordingly. Because I have some red chili. We have put half a teaspoon of red chili first and then 3 green chili. The chilies, I am adding some white pepper powder, close to half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. You can use black pepper powder also, that's fine. Then I'm going to add half cup of milk. So the milk goes in. Then needed salt. So how much you need for the whole egg. Then you can add some coriander and curry leaves. That's, if you don't have curry leaves, coriander leaves is just fine. So now nicely whisk this mixture. So make sure you have added enough spice. It's a masala toast. It has to be little spicy. So if you prefer adding some more red chili powder, you can add that. If you want more pepper powder, you can add that. So we have whisked our egg with spring onions, green chilies, pepper powder, salt, milk, and the paste, the onion and the chili paste, which actually adds the complete flavor to this recipe. So spring onions also is a great flavor burst for this recipe. So I would suggest you have spring onions and make that chili paste and then try it out. So let's start making our toast. So take a pan and season it with some butter. I already did a little bit, so I'm just adding a little more. Season your pan nicely. So you don't need to necessarily use butter, you can use refined oil also. So now take 1 bread slice, nicely dip it into the egg mixture. Make sure you don't crack your bread or anything, and just lay it into the pan and cook it nicely on both sides. If you think your bread did not soak up much of the egg, you can just pour it with a spoon a little bit on top and adjust that. And then now I'm going to flip our toast. So nice and healthy toast. So this is how you will be. It's a very big slice of bread actually, so it's like good for 1 person, 2 is good. 2 such toast is stomach filling. So I'm going to cook this on the other side as well, and then our toast will be ready. So I think our toast is ready. See, nice brown. You can see all our spring onions, green chilies, everything seen, and it's cooked. So I'm going to cook the rest of my slices. So our very tasty, quick and fast, or quick and easy, you can say, simple egg masala toast is ready. It's a great breakfast or a quick evening snack with ketchup. So with the quantity of the eggs I took, even my slice was very big. I made around 5 slices. So I can see, 1 slice I've cut into 4 pieces like this. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. It's a very easy recipe. Do try it out and let me know in comments how it was. And keep watching, and please subscribe to The Tasty Affairs. Thank you.